Hello children, till now what we have learned? Technique how to hold the pencil, right? And technique of pencil lead while doing drawing, right? And third one, shading techniques and types of strokes. Yes children, again I am going to teach you once again the shading techniques children. What is the first shading technique? One directional stroke like this. What we should remember these all in this? Yes, it should be starting, it should be dark, and the end it should be light. And the sound of the pencil should come when we are doing this stroke. See, it may be like this, or you can draw in a standing line also. Okay children? Yes, this is the basic shading. What is this? This is called as one directional stroke. Okay, these are the most basic shading technique. Okay children, this is the basic shading technique. Next shading is cross hatching shade. See, this one is called as one directional stroke. Okay, next is cross hatching shading. See, the same like this. One directional stroke. First we should draw this stroke. Next to this, what we should do? Cross hatching like this. Cross. See, this crossing also, starting it should be dark and the end should be light. Okay. Yes, this is called as cross hatch shading. Cross hatch shading. Okay children, up to now. Okay children, you should simply practice. Okay, next third one, curved strokes. See, like this. Okay, what are these called? Curved stroke shading. This cross hatching shading is a technique where stroke is applied, okay, in two directions, where the strokes are applying in two directions with overlapping strokes. See, these all are overlapping, right? Two strokes are overlapping each other. So this is called as cross hatching shading. And here curved stroke shading is what it is called children? Curved stroke shading. These are useful for shading objects, okay, with a curved surface where you want to emphasize the shape of that object. Okay, this shading is used for wherever the shape of that object is, surface is curved. Okay, this is the curved stroke shading. Next one, cross hatch curved stroke. See, this is the curved stroke, right? Again, one more curve like this. One more time I will show you children. See, this is a curve Okay, this is one more curve hatching. So this is called as a cross hatch curve stroke shading. So these are the basics, children. Okay, this is useful for cross hatching curve stroke is used for non-overlapping curve strokes. Curved cross hatch strokes, they make the picture image to look more natural. This one, when we use this shade, this will make the image look more natural when we use this shading. Okay, yes. And fifth one is scumbling. Scumbling, children. Scumbling shading. This one is like circles. Okay, this is called as scumbling. Make a small. Okay, children, this we can do in 3 shades. This is the 3 stages of shades will be there, children. To every image we can do. This is the first stage. If you make it very dark thick, children, it becomes a second stage. In the third stage, see, if it is very thick means the circles, the scumbling is, yes, see, this is the first stage, second stage little thick, and in the third stage it is heavy thick, right? So this is a scumbling shading. And the sixth one is, this is sixth one, yes, stippling shading. What is a stippling? Yes, dots, children. Whenever doing this tabbing with the pencil, the pencil lead should be blunt. Yes, the pencil lead should be blunt. This also in 3 stages. See, I am going to do here. Look at the paper, children. Children, you should observe every shading and everything. If you observe only, you can draw very easily the drawings with the shade. Okay, this is the first stage. The second stage, see how I am doing. Particularly, children, the lead should be very blunt, then only you will get very easily the shade. Stippling shade you will get. This is the second stage, and then at the third stage, see, it should be more heavy in this third stage. The stippling should be heavy in this third stage. It should be heavy. The dot should be very near, side by side. See, you can easily find out. This is the first stage, this is the second stage, and this is the third stage of stippling. Okay, Yes. Thank you, children. Simply do this, simply practice. You will get these shadings very easily. Okay. Thank you, children.